Hey everybody, welcome back to another edition of PhilsPhive. As you can tell, I am not in Texas right now. Actually, I'm in Jackson, Wyoming at the iconic town square here with antlers all over the place, and still thinking about you all here. Sometimes when you are in Texas in the summer and you want to get out of the heat, you got to be careful what you wish for, because it's about 40 degrees here and there's rain and snow in the forecast. But speaking of forecasts, that's the first thing here. We've got Rob Dietz on June 22nd on Monday. He's going to give us the national economic forecast. It's hopefully better than the one here right now. That's going to be from 1 to 2 p.m. You can register for free at dallasbuilders.org. Also, Metro East webinar tomorrow, talking about the Sapphire Bay development there in Rowlett. That's going to be a really good program, so check that out virtually via webinar, again at dallasbuilders.org. Number 3, new member welcome. We're going to have that, of course, virtual on Tuesday, the 23rd. Register at .org. I'm going to give everybody an overview of the association, all the things that we have to offer, and a special thing for those of you that watch PhilsPhive. Hopefully there are a couple of you out there. I'm going to be available for a happy hour a week from Friday on the 26th, so hit up Coleman for more details on that. I'll have a table for 10 at Katy Trail Outpost there in Plano. Look forward to seeing and meeting with a few of our new members at that time. Don't forget, we also have plenty of hand sanitizer, KN95 masks available at dallasbuilders.org. There's no limit on the hand sanitizer. We want to make sure to keep job sites safe and clean out there, so we're there to hook you up with that stuff. Also, finally, the 2002 fun fact, that was a time when the Dallas BA stepped up and helped out the 10th Street Historic District there in Dallas. It was a really good restoration project that they did, and that proves, just as we have for the last 75 years plus, that our members are there and they're very generous in times of need. This time is certainly a time for that, and I appreciate all the generosity that our members have shown out there, and I hope everybody's staying safe. I'm going to try to stay warm, and if you ever get a chance, get out here to Jackson, Wyoming. It's one of my favorite places in the world. It's right at the front porch of Yellowstone. A lot of really cool things out here, literally, because the temperature's in the 40s right now. All right, I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.